Target had a sale, Cat and Jack little boy and little girl clothes sale. So of course I had to get my little boy a little something something. So we have the short sleeve. Look at how cute this one is. Teal and blue. I also got him an orange striped one. You know, fun for summer. It is Florida. But on those chilly days, we always have to have a nice long sleeve. So dark gray. I love how, like, not super thick the material is, because again, it is Florida. And then we have gray, your light gray here. And then I got 2 pairs of shorts. We went with the navy blue. Look at how cute. And then the camel tan. I didn't go overboard on the shorts just because I'm like, what if he's a big boy? You know, what if he doesn't fit in these? You know, this is a good starting point, but I tried not to go overboard. Tried. I'm kind of itching to go back to get more, but let's stay good here.